Judge Chandler and I, along with a core group of friends, all of whom are here today, were law school classmates at the Catholic University Columbus School of Law. Judge Chandler was clear from day one regarding her aspirations to serve as a judge. I promise you that if you don't already know by now, you'll soon learn that Judge Chandler exhibits those characteristics that we seek in those who serve in this capacity. She's intelligent and thoughtful. She will be deliberate in her actions, but will always do so with a sense of compassion. Above all, Judge Chandler will uphold the integrity of her position and be firm yet fair in the administration of justice to all of those who appear before her.
Discharge the duties of the office
on which I'm about to enter.
on which I'm about to enter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
And for those that walk into your courtroom tomorrow, a week from now, a year from now, what do you want them to know about you?
I want them to know that they're going to come before someone who is pledging to be fair, pledging to have integrity, and pledging to make sure that the law is applied in a just way. And someone also who is a hometown person. I'm born and bred here in DC, and so I take my roots very seriously. I love this city. I love being able to work here, and having been raised here, it means a lot to me.
We know that you will continue to make your family, Mom Portia, and Dad, Mr. Barrington Chandler, who is undoubtedly smiling down on you from heaven today, your friends and your community proud. Congratulations and welcome to the bench.
So you put the